Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Better Business Bureau for Insurer Reputation Research, Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Visit the Better Business Bureau website at www.bbb.org. On the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Type in the name of the insurance company you want to research. Press the search icon to see the results. Browse through the list of businesses that appear. Click on the name of the insurance company you're interested in. Review the company profile that appears on the screen. Take note of the company's rating and any customer reviews. Scroll down to find additional information, such as complaints filed and resolution status. If you want to receive updates or more detailed reports, look for the subscription options available. Choose the subscription plan that fits your needs. Fill out the required information, including your email address and payment details. Review the terms and conditions before submitting. Once you've completed your subscription, check your email for a confirmation message. Log into your account if needed to access premium features or reports. Continue to monitor any updates regarding the insurance company through your BBB account. Utilize the information to make informed decisions about insurers. By following these steps, you can effectively use the Better Business Bureau for Insurer Reputation Research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.